This is the 30th of December 2015 with Vincent Corporation in Tampa, Florida. This is a sample of the yeast after it had been gone through the screw press. It's been kept refrigerated. You can see how it settles out. We are going to take a 5-gallon pail of the same material, stir it up, and run it through a fiber filter with a sleeve with 43 micron in it. That's a fine filtration. 43 micron is the nominal rating. Here's the fiber filter we're going to use. Dan is going to raise the elevation a couple notches. It's designed for continuous flow, but we're just going to pour in a bucket. So we're using one of these funnels. This is a VINCENT funnel. There's an infinite supply of them. They're abandoned all over the place, up and down the highways of America. So that's our funnel. We ship one out with each machine when they're going to run testing. There's the filtrate coming out. We won't get any sludge out the discharge here because we don't have enough. It takes a lot of flow. There's what we're putting in. And here's, you can see how it's being filtered coming out. It's pretty slow down there. This fabric does not blind because of the vibration. You see it's quivering. And with that quivering, the fabric will not blind. I'm counting on the solids staying inside. Try pouring a little faster, Bill. Okay, slow down. You see the sort of sludge that would be separated if we had enough flow to go steadily. Was that the whole bucket? Yeah. We did our bucket. So now we can turn it off and we'll see what we caught the other day on yours. Okay, we've just sampled the machine to see what we caught inside. We'll run a solids content on it, but that's what was staying behind. I hate to admit it, but it looks like Fred may have been right. This was our filtrate, and this was sludge that came out. We're going to try with a coarser sleeve. This is the inside of the machine. You can see our rotor right here. It has paddles that'll splash the liquid against the sleeve. It has a ribbon flight that augers the solids towards the discharge down here. And so there's that assembly. And we're going to try a coarser sleeve. Okay, we're getting ready to go again here. And the difference, you see right here, it's flowing much differently. Being poured in faster. Okay, fast enough. And we're empty, that's our sample. Okay, they're taking it apart. We didn't get any sludge to come out the end because, finally when we tilted the machine way down. Here's what we've got. And that's what I'm after, that material in there. There we go. So that's what we collected. And that's what would have probably eventually come out of the end. I'm going to get baggies of it and run a moisture test. Okay. I tried squeezing I got a sample of this sludge from inside the sleeve here. And tried squeezing it in my fists. I couldn't get anything, but I think you can see the particulate. We definitely were. Now, if we had a more dilute flow, if we added some water to this, I know we get more separation. It looks like there's still some fines in my hand. Yes, we've got our samples in the oven, running moisture analysis, and something interesting here. I don't know if you can see there, that sample compared to this sample. That's filtrate, And this is sludge that we scraped out of, or scooped out of the sleeve after we took the machine apart, after we ran our sample. From where I am, it's very clear that we've taken out a great deal of, we don't have particles that I see there in the filtrate. And the sludge, there's definitely a lot of parts, small particles.